Mastering helping verbs in perfect tenses. Hello, English learners. Welcome back to another episode in our Grammar Fundamentals series. Today, we are delving deeper into the world of verbs, focusing on a very important aspect: helping verbs in perfect tenses. As always, don't worry if this sounds a bit complicated. We will break it down step by step for you. First things first, let's talk about helping verbs. Helping verbs, also known as auxiliary verbs, are verbs that don't have meaning on their own but help the main verb in a sentence by extending its meaning. They can change the tense of the sentence, indicate modality or emphasize, and are usually placed directly before the main verb. Some examples of helping verbs include be, have, do, shall, will, may, and can. Now that we understand what helping verbs are, let's move on to our main topic: perfect tenses. Perfect tenses are used to talk about actions that are completed in relation to another time. There are three types of perfect tenses. Past perfect describes something that happened before another action in the past. Present perfect describes something that happened, or never happened, before now. Future perfect describes an action that will have happened by a certain time in the future. Each of these tenses uses a specific helping verb. For past perfect, we use had. For present perfect, we use has or have. For future perfect, we use will have. It's time for us to learn how to use these helping verbs correctly in perfect tenses. 1. Past perfect. I had studied for the exam, so I felt confident. 2. Present perfect. She has visited Paris 3 times. 3. Future perfect. By the end of the year, he will have graduated from college. Notice how in each sentence, the helping verb comes before the past participle of the main verb. That's a key structure you need to remember. And that's it. That's your introduction to using helping verbs in perfect tenses. Remember, practice makes perfect. So, try making your own sentences using helping verbs in perfect tenses. Keep practicing, and you'll master these in no time. Thank you for watching, and we hope to see you in our next video. Happy learning!